Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. XRP is indeed a three-digit currency. Binance is the topic of our discussion. Binance, ourselves, and the most recent news from the exchange will be discussed. Remove your cryptocurrency from those shady exchanges immediately. They seem intent on eliminating every entrance and exit in the United States. Folks, this is getting a little worrisome, a little concerning, because it almost seems like they're trying to give us additional P holders a further kick in the ass here, since how are we getting our money off when this thing finally does take off, like we all know it's going to? Exactly my question. Binance we have left. Bitcoin exchange, Bittrex, has ceased operations. So, where do we stand now? Coinbase. I was permanently banned from Coinbase without explanation after transferring $600 worth of Bitcoin to another exchange. When I transferred funds away from Coinbase, they told me they didn't appreciate what I was doing and flagged my wallet as suspicious. Totally defies logic. Money is still on there, by the way. I should probably try to leave as well. Cryptocurrency rules, XRP charts and candles, XRP, XLM, the weekly close, and the kaboom moment that is upon us will all be discussed. Let's get right down to business then. Today's market seems promising. The equivalent of $26,658 in Bitcoins. Ethereum is now trading at $1,845, a 0.7% increase in the last 24 hours. It has gained 0.03% over the past 24 hours. At present, XRP is trading at 52 cents, up 1.15% in the last 24 hours from its opening price of 52 cents. At $1.1 trillion, the Bitcoin market cap is massive. Once again, Bitcoin has become the most popular cryptocurrency. Take note of Bitcoin's meteoric rise to prominence. We now have an increase of 46.16%. Due to widespread anxiety, a substantial amount of capital will soon begin to pour into Bitcoin. People are worried about the value of their assets and are flocking to Bitcoin as a safe haven from this uncertainty. Yesterday, I sent out this tweet. Picture in your mind XRP's price jumping into the tens of dollars. What do you think? Why, you ask in retrospect. In contrast, it's not that. I'm assuming this is a well-established fact. Skyrocket, you've got this. Because of the sudden shift in our circumstances, I feel like bawling my eyes out. Absolutely right. This will have a rapid onset. You will be in the dark about what is happening. Believe me when I say that you should already have a plan in place. I've started a Patreon page. A personal service is what I can provide. Over the past year and a half, I have taught thousands. In anticipation of the impending events of this season. What you should be doing right now to get ready, what your exit strategies are, etc. Trust in us. Publish this. Because I am such a strong admirer and supporter of Binance US, this really hurts me. In its pursuit of an ideology campaign against the American digital asset market, the SEC has resorted to extremely forceful and coercive techniques. The usage of such methods has presented difficulties for the banks with which Binance US and our partners do business. To ensure the safety of our users and services, we have temporarily disabled USDC deposits and informed users that their fiat withdrawal channels may be temporarily disabled beginning on June 13th at the earliest by our banking partners. As primitive humans, the event predates that time period. Clients are urged to put their USD to good use. We have always put our customers first. These preventative measures are being taken as we plan for the eventual switch to a cryptocurrency-only trading platform. Reserves for all customer assets are kept at a 1-to-1 ratio. The weekend bank closures and increased volume of withdrawal requests could be to blame for any delays. Additionally, both crypto staking deposits and withdrawals are completely functional for trading. While we are not closing the door on a workable compromise that promotes a robust American market for digital assets. Binance, in response to the SEC's baseless attacks, the United States will continue to fiercely defend itself, its customers, and the industry. The note is attached. Acute hiccups disappearing. The end of USD deposits. Trading pairs in USD. Goodbye. The US dollar increases. Sayonara. However, all cryptocurrency services will continue to function normally. So, exit and entryways once more. If we want to invest in cryptocurrency, how can we do that? Unfortunately, I am unable to utilize Coinbase, which appears to be the only feasible choice within the United States at the present time. This is illogical. It just doesn't add up. Where are we at, people? We overcome this obstacle. Here's the press release detailing Binance's legal woes, their decision to abandon the US currency, and the subsequent decrease in withdrawals and increase in incoming funds. Bitcoin is just a joke. This Bitcoin graphic I made is going up on my Patreon now. This morning, if you will. This morning, if you will. Pardon me. This graphic clearly shows the severe volatility that Bitcoin is now experiencing. Despite the continued health of the US market, Bitcoin has struggled since the SEC and a number of incidents on major exchanges. However, the SEC filing did not cause any major Bitcoin price drops, which is encouraging. As a result, Bitcoin is showing increased resistance to selling pressure. Previously, we had an unusual event that drove prices over the 200-day moving average, EMA. To retarget the $29.60 to $30,000 range, Bitcoin needs to break free of the falling channel's resistance, which would then go to the 31.7 to 32.6 range. This could be an example of a trend. Construction wrap-ups in the near to medium future. Unless these supports are broken, the range between 25.4% and 24.7% on the breakout base is quite safe. The potential for harm is still low. Unlikely. However, if a break is observed, the price of Bitcoin might fall precipitously, taking us below the 22.8 hairy support levels. We have one right here in front of us. Roughly 20,000. The result was a 228. Something we must keep an eye on. The breakout support is being retested. Here are the two lines of resistance that we were hoping to overcome. Here's the truncated pyramid from which we can emerge, the falling wedge. Pay close attention to the crypto regulations, as they are crucial. According to Mike Manfield, the release of the Hinman emails is expected today, isn't it? Sure. The 13th of June is a date that everyone is eagerly anticipating. Actually, you know what? I'll be off next Monday. My next scheduled workday will be on Hinman Day Parliament. The results of the Crypto and Digital Assets App Study on the necessity of cryptocurrency regulation will be discussed in Parliament next Tuesday at 11 a.m. The sooner I hear this, the better. I'm curious about the topics they'll cover. Kendall XRP Agri-Key Crypto. Disseminate this. It's like plunging into a sea of mysteries when you. The more I look into it, the more I see that it was a great adventure full of surprises. After 413 days of trying to solve the bull's mystery, a new piece of the puzzle has been revealed thanks to the 163-day weighted moving average. However, this week's candles may be the first full-body candle close above the weighted moving average since April of 2022, so keep your eyes peeled. The tension is mounting as we count down the next 2 days before the answer is finally revealed. Keep an eye on how the weekly candle close is forming in the sky. When a candle's body closes over the trend line, it indicates that the trend is continuing, as Craig correctly pointed out. So, if the weekly closes above the made-up line, it confirms that whoever is watching is positive on a semi-macro scale, at least until the price breaks below the line. The graph is below. Another chart, this one showing the entire body. The weighted moving average is displayed there. The market ended higher than expected. Hold on, and keep making progress. What we're expecting to see in terms of the XRP price, as well as new charts for XRP and XLM, will be shared with the Patreon community today. I think you'll enjoy it. Please visit our Patreon community. Come show your support for good old Rip Van Winkle by purchasing XRP or XRP via a managed wallet. The guy leaves. Both were included in my expansion. He's taking my dream job, and he's moving in for the long haul. Take care to focus on X or X. Both tend to shift at the same time. The macro picture is supported by both charts. I've heard that Wix DAO can happen. In the near future, Biorad is prepared to make adjustments with no feelings attached. Adore it. Adore it. Formerly, I shopped at XLM. One who only shops once a week. For the previous 2 years, my weekly income has averaged $50. The stack of people's bags is impressive. I, too, will be making weekly purchases of XLM from Uphold. I need to do some catching up. I see money in the chart, therefore I think I'll buy approximately $200 worth of XLM today. I despise Jed, but the numbers look good for him. And this cycle, as I've been telling everyone, is the one that will alter the course of my life irrevocably. Your lives will never be the same after this cycle. Together, we will get through this. There isn't any cutthroat competition going on here. You have 100,000, but no one is congratulating you on it. What I really need is 101. No, you should just acquire what you can afford right now. And in the end, we're all going to come out ahead and make substantial improvements to our standard of living. Paying off a car loan is a major accomplishment that can have far-reaching effects on one's financial situation. You save the equivalent of $400 to $600 per month after reducing a 5 or 6 year car loan by that amount. That's a major deal. If you are able to pay off your mortgage and eliminate your monthly payment, you will have significantly more financial freedom for the following 30 years. Half of that amount might be put away immediately so that you have a down payment ready whenever you decide to buy a new home, as opposed to frittering it away. Spending wisely is essential in this situation. Consider the weekly. XRP. An update was shown to us. We slashed the neckline in half to reveal the whole torso. The weekly candlestick closes above its wicks every week. A bullish scenario is more likely to occur as a result of this. Now you have it. People, we're going to make this thing green. Let's see if we can get a breakout over the neckline, and then we can speculate on a good kaboom for the weekly candle's last hour. I'm hoping to see this. Look at that dazzling star. 53 cents. A man was hung, and we got him. In the short to intermediate range, I see XRP trading anywhere from 58 cents to 80 cents. This is assuming we don't see one more small push down. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.